Welcome back to my channel. My name is VassaOlga. In today's video, we're going to be experimenting with the V-shape versus round shape. If you're interested how I got like my right eye done or like my round shape done, then please stay tuned and keep on watching. And if you're interested in how I did like my V shape, then keep on watching as well. Today we're going to be breaking down a lot of tips that might help you and a lot of things that are going to be useful in your makeup process. So without further delay, let's get started, and I hope you're going to be interested in this video. With the help of shadows, you can actually change your eye shape, and visually it's going to look absolutely different, and we can create like two options for you guys, like my V shape versus my round shape, and I can't tell which is my favorite. I do really love V shape because it's extending my eye a little bit more, but round shape doesn't really look bad. So yeah, let's talk a little bit and let's figure things out. I'm gonna prime my lid with Essence I Love color intensifying eyeshadow base, and I would say that I have some leftovers. That is the main reason why I'm using this eyeshadow base so often. Okay, both eyes are primed, and today I'm wearing like a t-shirt that says think outside of the box. I'm using today Morphe Boss Smooth 35M eyeshadow palette. I am going to be using some colors to set my lid, and let's go to something orange. Why not? It's bright. So we're setting the lid, and now what are we doing? So for a right eye, we're gonna stick to the round shape. And for a round shape, I guess you can guess that we would need to stop right here, like even when the brow tail is a little bit longer than the shape is going to be placed. And with the same color, I'm gonna tap it off. I am gonna create something similar to the left eye, but what I do, I actually try to drag out the shade. Now I'm gonna need some pointy brush. Let's use some darker shade. Maybe this one is gonna work out really cool. Tap off the shade. And what I do, I actually try to focus this shade over the transition color. We should focus this over my crease, and then we're not bringing this too wide. Look at that. So what I do, I actually place these eyeshadows as a circle, as a round shape. We're still gonna need a little bit more blending, but as a concept, that's what we're gonna have. For my left eye, I'm gonna grab the same color, and I will be going a little bit further. So we're gonna bring in the shade out to the brow tail. It's almost the same, but you see that it's given a little bit different vibes. And of course, I'm getting back, but don't forget that we would need to connect the side. That's why we would need to prolong the shape a little bit so the connection is going to be smooth. And of course, I can't leave it this way. I would need to diffuse these shades and colors a little bit more. Okay, let's go to this transition shade that we used right at the beginning of the video. And then we're just gonna get this over the shade that we already used. The same happens with my left eye. To a little bit different thing, now we're gonna connect both eyes with a lower lid. I'm going to the same shade that we used to create my round shape, and then I am connecting that. I don't like placing too much color because it might actually get into your creasing lines, but sometimes if you really need this, like a round shape, you can create this illusion with the help of eyeshadows. It's going to be pretty much the same, but we don't really need that much color over the whole lower lid. We need just the tiniest bit. So here's the difference. This is my left eye, this is the right eye. Let's use, this color does look pretty, and I would need to add it somewhere here. And a little bit of simple shimmers. For my left eye, I'm gonna use the same shade. That we would need to add a tiniest bit more of some shimmers, something light and fluffy in the inner corner, like that. round shape. And this is my V shape. My final step is going to be a little bit of shimmers over my brow bone. I would want to add some liner. You would need to stop somewhere here. You can create like a flat line, or you can leave it like that. For my V shape, I'm going to be creating my liner as I always do. Guys, I'm finally ready to present you the look. This is the round shape. And this is my V shape. Please let me know in the comments which side is your favorite. But I'm more like this type of girl, like a V-shaped girl, instead of a round shaped girl. It's up to you. I believe this tutorial was really helpful for some of you guys, and I guess I'm gonna see you in one of my next videos. Love you so much. Bye bye.